Oh, we're live. Good. Well, this is episode number 28. Wow, 28 of crazy confessions and stories of an Uber slash Lyft driver. I'm the Uber slash Lyft driver. So yesterday I pick up a really cool lady. Her name is Jennifer. We're Facebook friends now. Maybe she might even see this video. I don't know. It's got something to do with purple bunnies, red wine, and black cats. So right off the bat, she was a little frantic and rushed, but super cool. And she got in my car. She's in a hurry, has to drop something off at her house. And so right off the bat, the conversation and the laughter just naturally occurs. It's pretty cool. And so while I drop her off at her house, she's like, hey, how does this work? Can I just keep you? And then I don't have to request another ride because I'm in a big hurry. I'll offer you kitty cuddles because I got 3 black cats. And I'm like, okay, sounds like a plan to me. And then I won't even turn this thing off. That way you won't be charged for another pickup fee. So it saved her some money. I got to play with her black cats, and she gave me some kitty treats to help coax them over. But I mean, come on, look at me. Like I needed kitty treats to coax them over. Cats love me, especially the black cats. So that was really fun. And then after we left there, we go over to the Waukesha, kind of a long drive, and she's worried I'm going to be angry because it's a long drive. I'm like, no, this is awesome. And so we get there a few minutes away from the destination. She's like, why don't you come in, I'll buy you a glass of red wine. And that's the business that she's in. I guess she does something with wine. She does these events. We went to this winery in Waukesha, a beautiful place where she was doing an event with one of her colleagues, wine sampling and tasting, probably selling too. And she offered me what she calls the best wine in the world. Very confident. She's a socialite, very outgoing, really fun to be around. And she tells me very confidently, this is the best wine in the world that you'll ever have. So I'm sipping it, and I'm like, I don't know if I can single it out as the best, but it's up there with the best. So that was a lot of fun. And we're just talking and laughing, and she's introducing me to people there that she knows. And then where does this purple bunny come into play? Should include that in the title. So this bunny is in my car. It was left behind by another passenger. I have no idea who it belongs to. Nobody claimed it. So, okay, nobody claimed it. It's mine. I adopted him. So I have this sitting in my car now, greeting all of my passengers. Kind of cute. I like it. And he's purple. It's one of my favorite colors. So she got a kick out of this little guy, took a picture of him. Nobody paid my bunny that much attention. The most I ever get is, oh, cute bunny. But she paid him lots of attention, petted him or her. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl, because we even looked between, see, like, open his legs up right there. There's nothing there, but bunny rabbits, they're, introverted until they get excited, then it comes out. I can't relate to that. Mine's always out. Okay, moving right along. So we're trying to name him. She took a picture with the bunny and put it on her Facebook page, and then I'm like, we should be Facebook friends. So we became Facebook friends while in the car on the way to the winery. And then we couldn't think of a name, so we came up with super cute purple bunny. And then I said, last name first, first name last, purple bunny, super cute. So that's his name, super cute purple bunny. Greets people every day in my car now. And that's, I guess that's the ride in a nutshell. It was pretty cool. And that reminded me of some other rides that I've done, where I remember once I picked up somebody from the Renaissance Fair, took them to their horse farm in Illinois, 2 ladies and a dude, and they're like, you seem pretty cool. We're going to feed our horses. We're going to take a break and play with the horses with us. I'm like, okay, cool. If only that happened every day. I remember another girl, beautiful girl, sat in my back seat and gave me a shoulder and neck massage while I was driving her to Summerfest last year in 2018. Oh my God, if that could happen once a day or once every hour, that'd be pretty cool. That's the only time that's happened in over 10,000 rides I've done so far. But it kind of reminded me of that extraordinary, extremely rare coolness to a ride, and a rider for that matter. So thank you, Jennifer, if you see this video, and thanks for giving my adopted bunny a name, super cute purple bunny. It's really a list of adjectives and nouns, no pronouns, so it's not really a name, but who gives a fuck, it works. Okay, and by the way, all of my other episodes I've done for this, I've put together in a video playlist on my website, tomberkenmeyer.com. I got all my playlists there for everything, including the Uber and Lyft driving. And then I've also got topstardriver.com, which is a page I made specifically for the Uber and Lyft driving. It's probably easiest to find the video playlist on that one, including the one with the horses and all the other, and well, you'll see, there's tons of them there. This is number 28 so far. Hello Susan, hello Sandy, hello Tanya, hello Susan again, Shelly, Jennifer, Carolyn, Shiloh, Kim, Perry, Danica, Joyce, nice to see all of you. And that really concludes the video. Feel free to share this if you wish. And last but not least, all my videos, I cannot neglect to mention this, every dollar I make from ride sharing, I save and then I put into my affordable housing project. So what's it like to be able to work, and every dollar that you make from working, you're able to save it. You don't have to spend it. You don't have to do anything with it because you're just in that place of financial freedom, and you could put it towards something interesting or an investment or something else, a nonprofit if that's your thing. What's it like to be able to do that, and do you have any interest in positioning yourself to being able to do that? Well, feel free to ask me for my link. I started an online home business in 2007. It took me a couple years to get it to that point, but boy was it worth it, so that I can do things like this and literally save 100% of my income without having to pay bills with it. That's pretty fucking sweet. And it's all about natural health and residual and passive money. So just ask for the link and I'll send that to you. Well, that concludes this video. Bye for now, everybody. And oh, by the way, I'm in the Wolf and Buttle Flower Garden right now in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It's a beautiful day. I thought this would be a beautiful setting to do this right in front of Lake Michigan and the South Harbor. And then give you a little peek of these gardens here. It's just beautiful. Pretty cool, hey? All right, bye everyone. Mwah.